Hello everyone, this is Asghar Nazir. Today I will show you how to sign up for Repl. Repl is a platform that we will be using to practice our Java skills. So to sign up for the Repl, we will be sharing a link with you. You guys just need to copy and paste that link in your browser and wait for the page to load. Once you see this page, you need to click on this link that says sign up. And now you have to enter the username, email, and password. This username field, it's very important field. Please make sure that you are using your first name and the last name as the username. Otherwise, syntax will not be able to recognize you and we will not be able to receive your assignments properly. And for the email, please make sure that you are using the email that you use to sign up with syntax. So let me enter my details. And you can choose any good password for your account. Now, once you enter these details, it is possible that this username might be already in use. So you guys can use some combination of letters to avoid that conflict. And once all the things look good, you guys can click on this button that says create account. Now, Rappel will send you an email that you need to click on to verify your email address. So please make sure that once you receive that email, you click on the link inside that email to verify your email. It might take some time, but you will receive it. Now, once you have signed up, you guys will see all the exercises that we will be releasing from here. So let me explain a little bit how the exercises look like. So here you will see the title of all the exercises, the numbering and their title. So for example, this exercise is related to variables. There will be a due date. Before that due date, you guys have to submit your REPLs. So keep an eye on the deadline as well. And then you guys can click on this link to start working on that specific exercise. So let me show you how to do that. So let me click on this start the project. And once I do that, the REPL might take a little while to load the exercise. But once it has loaded the exercise, you guys will see three main sections. So this middle one, it is the section where you guys write your code. And this left one is where you guys will find the instructions for your REPL. So for example, in this REPL, we are asked to create a variable age that will hold an integer value. And then we have to assign a value of 4 to this variable and then print out its value. Now, these instructions, they are very important. If you guys are not following the instructions, we have written some automated test cases. Those test cases will not pass and you guys will not be marked for these assignments. And also these classes or whatever code that you see that is already written in an exercise, please don't modify that code. It's also very important to not make changes in the code that is already written. Otherwise, you might face many different issues. Okay, let's solve this assignment. So this assignment says that we have to create the age variable, and then we have to assign a value of 4 to that variable, and then we have to print that out. So as you guys know, we always need a main method in all the Java applications. So let me create that first. So let's say public static void main and then string args. And now let me create a variable age of type integer and let me assign a value 4 and let me print out its value to the console. Now, before you guys submit your assignments, what you guys should do, you should run your application, you should run your code, and you should check if you are getting the expected output or not. And after that, once your code looks good, you can further evaluate your code. You can further test your code against the automated test cases that we have written for you. Now, if I click on this test button, you guys will see this green button that says run tests. So let's try to run those test cases. And let's see if we have written the proper code to solve this problem. Now, if everything is as per the instructions and you guys have followed all the instructions, you guys will see that your test cases will pass. But let's say, for example, for some reason, if you are not following the proper requirements, or if there are any syntax errors or any kind of other issues in your code, once you guys click on those these test cases, you guys will see your REPLs, they will fail. Now, once that happen, what you guys can do to figure out what is wrong in your solution, you can click on this results button, and then the REPL will guide you that, hey, I was expecting 4 as the output of this exercise, but in actual, I got 6. So you guys have to match the actual outputs to the expected outputs. And this difference step, it is sometimes also helpful. It tells you that instead of 6, if your program generate this output of 4, then all will be good. So once we do that, once we fix the issue, then you guys will see the test cases will pass, and then you guys are good to submit your assignment. And once you have done that, now you guys are good to submit your REPL. So if I click on submit, it will ask me to submit, and I can select on the submit button to do that. Because I have not verified my email, so it will give me an error that you need to verify your email, and then only I will be able to submit the REPLs. Now, many times you guys will face issues and you guys will not be able to figure out what is going wrong. So in that case, what you guys can do, you guys can take a screenshot of the results tab. You can click on this results tab and you can take the screenshot of this part, and whenever you guys will be posting in the sport channel for the help, please make sure that you include the screenshot from this result tab. It's very, very important. Otherwise, no one from the syntax support or an instructor will be able to assist you. And once you have submitted an assignment, what you guys can do, you guys can go back by clicking on these teams. And then let's say, for example, I'm recording this video for the batch 14. In the future, maybe if you are in the batch 15, 16, and so on, so you guys need to click on your batch, and most probably you will only see your batch in here. And then once the assignment has been completed, then you can open up the second assignment, again follow the instructions, write the code, run it to check for syntax errors or any other errors, then execute the test cases and submit that REPL. So this is how you guys will be doing all the assignments or REPLs. And again, if you guys face any issues, always take the complete screenshot and share it in the support channel for any help. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye-bye.